The denial of differentiation between people, be it based upon ability, skill, gender, or personality, is a crucial component of most utopian philosophies such as communism. To achieve equality of outcome, you must lower everyone down to the lowest common denominator, and the current wave of cultural Marxist indoctrination is doing just that in universities and schools. Meritocracy must be challenged as much as the reality of gender or brain sex differences, because these things highlight differences between people, real differences. As capitalism is built upon competition and merit, it therefore doesn't produce the same outcome for someone who either lacks the necessary talent to achieve or couldn't be bothered trying with a person who works hard. So obviously capitalism must be seen as a discriminating supervillain to be overthrown. That's exactly what it takes to produce a Marxist utopia: break people of their humanity through indoctrination. The communist utopia will only be made possible once people have embraced the notion of equity, equality of outcome, the belief that we all deserve the same rewards, the same earnings, that competition is bad because it highlights the fact that some people are better at certain things than others, some people are faster, stronger, more intelligent, more talented, some people work harder. Gender differences have to be eliminated for the same reason, because otherwise men and women will naturally gravitate towards different tastes, interests, and careers, and that will not produce equality of outcome, of course. It's not a coincidence that leftists are so obsessed with criticizing capitalism while simultaneously pushing gender ideology. These agendas share the same end goal: a communist revolution.
Stop it. Get some help.